Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Kenny's Tour Review. I haven't been able to use these yet, but I'm sure they're the same company that makes the IPA ones, or just the IPA ones rebranded. I got these ones from Matco. There's a part number if you care. Diamond grip terminal cleaners. So I got 3 of them. They come in the kit, same as the IPA one. Like I said, it's probably made by the same people. They're great quality. I've used them in the past. Someone else at a different shop had them, and they work great. And I've needed them quite a few times, and I haven't had them. So sorry about that. Don't make you dizzy or anything. So here's the patent number. I'm sure if you look it up, it's not a terminal cleaner made by IPA. By Matco, instead made by IPA. So I just wanted to share this new tool that I got from my Matco guy. You can kind of see here how you use it. You can clean both male and female terminals. Obviously on the female terminals here, on these ones, you want to be careful you don't spread any pins wide open. It all depends on the size of the terminal. And then obviously you can use the size that corresponds, but you definitely want to make sure you don't open it up and then have a pin fitment issue. That's just as bad as corrosion. Cause pretty much the same thing, similar issue if you're trying to rectify something. So yeah, if you don't have a Matco guy, you could always just get the IPA ones off Amazon or whatever. It'll be the same thing. They'll be about the same price too. I think the Matco guy was like $5 more, so I just bought it from him to keep him coming around because I like him. The Snap-on guy also was trying to sell me the same thing a week before, and it was about the same as the Matco guy, so I just went with the Matco guy. So I like him. He's a new starving artist, so give him some money. So do a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and thanks for watching.